Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will know about the life and works of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on 1564 and died on 1616. So he was born on 23rd April 1564. He was baptized in Holy Trinity Church, Stratford upon Avon on Wednesday, 26 April 1564. Stratford upon Avon is the main town of the district Stratford on Avon. And on April 23rd, 1616, on the death probable anniversary of his birth, he was died. So his father name was John Shakespeare. He was trader in corn, meat, leather, and in any other agricultural products. His mother name was Mary Arden. Shakespeare's he was married to Annie Hathaway in the year 1582, and she was 8 years senior to him. William Shakespeare has the first child only after 6 months of the marriage. The eldest daughter Susanna was baptized on 26 May 1583, and 2 years later twins Hamlet and Judith were born. Susanna was married to John Hall. He was a physician, and Judith to Thomas Quincy. So his only son Hamlet was died at the age of 11 on August 11, 1596. William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets which were published in the year 1609, and Long has divided William Shakespeare period writing career as 4 parts. First, period of early experimentation. Second, a period of rapid growth and development. Third, a period of gloom and depression. Fourth, a period of restored serenity of calm after storm. Then the first criticism of his work can be traced in Green's Grotworth of Wit in the year 1592, where he is attacked as an upstart crow beautified with the feathers of the university wits. Dowden, in his work The Shakespeare, His Mind and Art, published in 1875, divides William Shakespeare's career into 4 periods. First, in the workshop. Second, in the world. Third, out of depth. And fourth, on the heights. Bradley, A.C. Bradley's Shakespearean Tragedy, published in 1904, is still an impressive book on Shakespearean criticism. The shipwreck in The Tempest is derived from sea venture on the Bermudas in 1609. And Robert Greene said about William Shakespeare that there is an upstart crow beautified with our feathers, that with his tiger's heart wrapped in player's hide, suppose he is as well able to bombast out a blank verse as the best of you, is said by Robert Greene. And who was Robert Greene? He was a rival playwright and a pamphleteer about William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare dedicated his narrative poems, namely Venus and Adonis, published in 1593, and The Rape of the Lucrece in 1594, to the Earl of Southampton. Dates of William Shakespeare's works. So Henry VI Part 2nd, Henry VI Part 3rd was published in 1590 to 1591. Henry VI Part 2, 1591 to 1592. Richard III Comedy of Errors, 1592-1593. Titus Andronicus Taming of Shrew, published in 1593-1594. Then Two Gentlemen of Verona, Love's Labour's Lost, Romeo and Juliet, Edward III, 1594 to 1595. Then Richard II and A Midsummer's Night's Dream was published in 1595-1596. Then King John, Merchant of Venice, Love's Labour Lost, was published in 1596 to 1597. Then Henry IV Part 1, Henry IV Part 2 was published in 1592-1598. Then Much Ado About Nothing and Henry V was published in 1598 to 1599. Then Julius Caesar and As You Like It, 1599 to 1600. Then Hamlet and Twelfth Night was published in 1600-1601. Then Troilus and Cressida was published in 1601 to 1602. Then All's Well That Ends Well was written in 1602 to 1603. Then Measure for Measure and Othello was published in 1604 to 1605. Then Macbeth and King Lear was published in 1605 to 1606. Then Antony and Cleopatra and Pericles was published in 1606 to 1607. Then Coriolanus and Timon of Athens was published in 1607 to 1608. Then Cymbeline was published in 1609 to 1610. The Winter's Tale 1610 to 1611, then The Tempest 1611 to 1612, and then Henry VIII, Henry VIII, Two Noble Kinsmen called Ennio, and it was published in 1612 to 1603. Then his poems, the dates of William Shakespeare's poems. Venus and Adonis was published in 1593. The Rape of Lucrece was published in 1594. The Passionate Pilgrim, published in 1599. Then The Phoenix and the Turtle, it was published in 1601. Then Sonnets, published in 1609. So this is all about William Shakespeare's life and works. I hope you will like the video, and if you like this, please share it as much as you can so that other can listen it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video.